In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line graph in Excel. Whether you're presenting data for a work project, school assignment, or just trying to organize your personal data, mastering the art of graph creation in Excel can significantly enhance your data visualization skills. Let's start by accessing Excel, and for that you'll need a Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have it already, don't worry. Microsoft offers a free version of Excel Online. Simply go to the official Microsoft 365 website and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're not signed in, click on the sign in button located typically at the top right corner of the page. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to type in your email, enter your email address and click next. At this point, you should authenticate your login by entering your password or through any other verification method required. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to dive into Excel and start creating graphs. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's use an example file. Microsoft OneDrive hosts a plethora of example files you can use to practice. So head over to the specific file. In our case, it's a demo spreadsheet perfect for illustrating how to create a line graph. Once the document is open, you'll need some data to create a line graph. Line graphs are perfect for displaying data over time, so ensure your data is organized accordingly, with separate columns or rows for your data points and their corresponding values. Next, you'll need to highlight the data you want to include in the line graph. Click and drag to select the cells that contain the data you want to visualize. Remember, proper selection is crucial for an accurate graph representation. Now let's transform this data into a visually appealing line graph. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the page. This tab is the gateway to all sorts of data visualization tools in Excel, including charts, tables, and of course graphs. Under the Insert tab, you'll find an array of options for different graph types. For our purpose, we'll focus on the line option. When you click on line, Excel provides you with several line graph styles. Each style represents data differently, so feel free to experiment with which visually represents your data best. However, for a straightforward line graph, clicking on the basic line option once again usually suffices. Upon selecting the line graph style, Excel automatically generates the graph based on your highlighted data. The graph will appear on your spreadsheet, and from there you can customize it further. Feel free to explore the chart design and format tabs that appear when the graph is selected. These tabs offer options to modify the graph's appearance, including its layout, style, color, and even the addition of chart elements like titles or labels. Remember, a well-designed graph can significantly enhance the interpretability of your data. Ensure your graph has a descriptive title and your axes are clearly labeled. It makes the information accessible to all viewers, regardless of their familiarity with the data. In summary, creating a line graph in Excel involves accessing Microsoft 365 and signing into your account. You then open the example file or your dataset, highlight the relevant data, navigate to the Insert tab, select the line graph option, and customize your graph to your liking. By following these steps, you can transform raw data into a compelling visual story that communicates trends, patterns, and insights effectively. Data visualization is a powerful tool in both professional and personal contexts, and mastering it can significantly enhance the impact of your data analysis. Experiment with different graph styles, explore Excel's customization options, and you'll soon be on your way to becoming proficient in creating engaging, informative, and visually appealing graphs. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your data. Happy graphing!